Hey y'all, it's Alec with Sharing the Journey. Today I'm going to show y'all something that Cindy and I just got in the mail, and we are so glad we got it before we hit the road, because we've been looking for a great way to charge multiple devices while we're traveling. We got the Egretech Sonic 600 watt power station. Now it is chargeable through AC power and DC power, and also with solar power. Now we did not order the solar kit for it at this time, but we plan on getting it. So let's take a look. We're going to do the first unboxing here of the device, and I can't wait for y'all to see it. So what I want to start with first is taking it out of the box and getting our first look. Now I've seen it on the website, I've seen it on Amazon. Comes with a book. This is the DC power charger that we are able to charge it while we are in the car. And this is the AC power cord that it comes with. It is very well packed. Now this is something that I like about it, is that it only weighs 11 pounds. So it's very portable. It'll be easy for Cindy to handle. And it is full of features. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how much power it's got from the factory. All you have to do is press the button for a few seconds and hold it. It looks like it is 3/5 of the way powered from the factory. Now what I got, it's got two USB-A chargers that go up to 60 watts. Two USB-A chargers that go up to 36 watts. It's got a DC power, like cigarette plug. You can charge from there, or you can charge with the AC side. And it's got AC charging. And it shows right now we're pulling 0 watts. 99 hours. Let's get some stuff and plug it in and let's see how she does. So the first thing I brought out is the fan that goes on my bedside. If we're traveling and the batteries on the coach are getting low, I wanted to be able to plug in the fan. I have to sleep with the fan. Or if we are traveling through some of the national parks and we use the Jeep to camp in, I'm going to bring a fan with me because I have to have the noise. So let's plug it in here to the AC side. All right, and we're going to first turn it on low. And at low, it's pulling 7 watts, 11 watts of power. Now it's down to 10. And it says that it will run for 26 hours. And remember, the power supply or power station is not even fully charged. Now let's turn it up to high. At high, it's pulling 15 watts. And I could run that for 17 hours, and it's not but 2/3 of the way charged. Let me turn the fan off. Now, let's use the USB-A, plug that in, and my cell phone is a Samsung, and it's at 60% charged. All right. Now it is showing that to charge my cell phone, it's taking 8 watts, 7 watts, and it's going to be, I could use it for 32 hours. Now you've got the USB-A also, which I don't have anything right now that needs charged with the USB-A, but it is doing what we would need it for. We could actually charge 4 devices on the DC side, plug something into the AC and run it all. And what I like is it's got this nice display up here that lets you know how much power you've got left. So I could charge my phone, my wife's phone, our tablet, and our computer all at the same time. Now, if you look at the box, it says for a cell phone you could do 37.5 charging cycles, an iPad 15 charging cycles, a notebook like my Apple computer 7.5 charging cycles, an outdoor rechargeable lantern 45 cycles, my camera, GoPro, and all that I could do 19.6 charging cycles out of it. So I think we're going to get a lot of use out of this. And the big thing that I'm excited about is it's small, it's compact, it's lightweight, and we'll be able to stick it in our outdoor gazebo that you see that we use all the time, and we'll be able to charge our cell phones out there. We'll be able to charge our speaker out there. We'll be able to charge the batteries that we use for the lights in there, and I'm not going to have to run 4 or 5 extension cords out there to charge everything that I want to charge. And then when we're traveling, this is a lightweight. If we want to go car camping, we'll be able to use it for that. When we're traveling down the road, we only have 2 USB ports up front when we're going down the road. We can stick this on the dashboard or on the floor between Cindy and I, and we can plug in any number of things that we want to plug in and that we need while we're traveling. So we're going to be using it on our trip down to South Carolina. You know, we leave on this Wednesday, the day this video goes live. And then when we get down there, we're going to set it up inside of our gazebo, and we're going to use it for 6 or 8 weeks. And then I'm going to come back with a full review about how we like it. But so far, I am very, very happy with it. And then the last thing I want to show you is if we are using this in a mobile application, then it's got a flashlight back here. It's not the brightest flashlight in the world, but I could set it out next to the tire if I have a flat tire at night and I'm trying to change it. If I need help, it's got an SOS mode. There's flashing to get someone's attention, and off. Like, again, it's very, very lightweight. And I wrote down the other reason that I got it is that it's very affordable. I could do an affiliate through Egretech, but it's cheaper on Amazon. So I'm gonna put an Amazon link down here. It's $349, but right now on Amazon, it's got a $170 coupon, which makes it only $179. It's got 499 watt hours and a 600 watt pure sine wave inverter in it. Plus, it's got, my understanding is, an automatic shut off. If I plug something in that is more than the power it can handle, it will automatically shut itself off so the device is not damaged. So overall, I am very happy with the unboxing. I think we're going to get a ton of use out of this thing, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So This is the unboxing video. In about 6 to 8 weeks, we're going to do a full review video on the device and let you know the pros and cons. But if you're thinking about getting a power station right now, for the price they want for this, use my Amazon link and you can get a heck of a deal. Until next time, happy camping and travel safe.